Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll break down this word problem into simple, step-by-step solutions that you'll actually understand, and maybe even enjoy. So let's get started. The problem stated that Sarah can read 25 pages of a book each day. If the book has 300 pages, how many days would it take for her to finish the book? Let us write down first the given information. The rate of reading that Sarah can do is 25 pages per day, and the total number of pages of the book is 300 pages. Let us now write the solution. To answer the question, how many days would it take for Sarah to finish reading the book? We must divide the number of pages of the book by the rate of reading that Sarah can do each day. Substituting the values to the equation, 300 pages divided by 25 pages per day. The quotient is 12. Therefore, Sarah will finish reading the book in 12 days. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Comment down below should you have any math problems to solve. See you on my next video.